Next, I would like to talk about Bing Maps, which has a good global coverage, but it is not extensive as Google Maps. It has the bird's eye view feature that will allow you to see buildings from different angles. In addition to that, it will show you data about a place from other sources, like Facebook, for example. So to go to Bing Maps, all you have to do is just to go to bing.com and then click on Maps. And then we are going to search for the temple, which is this one. So I'm going to copy the name and paste it in here and then hit enter. And we didn't find anything. So let me search for Prashar temple. And here we can see not the temple, but the lake. And this is why I told you that some data are going to be from other sources. So here we have information from Facebook, and this one is from Bing. So let me click on this one, which is Prashar Lake. I'm going to zoom in to search for the temple, which should be in here. And then I'm going to click on this tile, and we can see that we have road style, satellite, bird's eye, and street side. And street side is just like street view in Google Maps. Now let me click on the satellite view. And this is the temple, and we can see that the quality of the image is not good as Google Maps. So if we went back to Google Maps, we can see that the image is much better than Bing, as you can see here. Although this image has been also captured in 2024 using the TomTom satellite. We can also find some other information like the source of the image. We can see a website, we can see a phone number, we can scroll down more and view this Facebook page that has information about this temple. We can also click on the second search result, which is actually from Bing. We can see a website and a phone number and some other pictures. We can also scroll down and see the opening and closing times. We can also find some social profiles. So if I hovered over this one, we can see the Facebook page that we found in the previous search result. Now I have searched for New York to show you the bird's eye feature. So if I zoomed in, we can see the top of the building or the roof of the building along with the building number. And if I clicked on style, we can see that we have these two options. So I'm going to click on bird's eye first. And as you can see, now we see the windows of the buildings. So let me disable it again just to show you how it looks like. So here we can see the roof of the building, but if we enable this option, we will be able to see a different angle of each building. Now let me show you the last style, which is street side, which is similar to street view in Google Maps. So I'm going to click on it and select the area where I want to be dropped in. So I'm going to click on here. And as you can see, this is very similar to Google Street View, but we can see that the images are a little bit pixelated. And this is why I always like to use Google Maps, because it has much higher image quality and has an extensive coverage.